Hello, and today I will be showing you how to make a simple clicker game on Scratch. So the first thing, you want something to click on. That is one of the most important things of a clicker game. Now you may be thinking a simple clicker game is this. And it isn't. This is not a simple clicker game. If you're slightly more advanced, then you may think this is a simple clicker game. When you click the green flag, it restarts. Now that is not a simple clicker game. It definitely isn't. What you will need though, you probably want to put this object at coordinates x0 and coordinates y0 right in the center. You'll need to create two variables, a global or world record. Okay, world record and a score. When green flag clicked, we don't want to set that to 0 because otherwise the world record will be deleted. We want the score to be set to 0. When this sprite is clicked, we want to change the score variable by 1. I just break the world record. So, now you might be wondering, where does this world record come in? It comes in with how to change the world record with some simple code. This if not equal if world record is less than score, then set world record to score. And now this should and if I stop that and start that again, the world record will be set to 10. Now that's a really simple clicker game. There we have it. A simple clicker game.